Today, we're going to show you how we clean headliners. So as a detailer, one of the most frequently asked questions by other detailers and DIYers is, how do we clean headliners? So this video, I'm going to show you guys a quick, simple, easy way to not overthink and to get great results that you're going to be happy with and your client's going to be happy with. First thing we're going to do is we're going to grab P&S Carpet Bomber. This is going to be a carpet and upholstery cleaner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lightly give a couple sprays on the corner of my towel. And I'm just going to gently go over with the higher nap side of my towel. I'll link these towels and the carpet bomber in the description below. As you can see, I'm just lightly working it in. I'm not applying any pressure. So I'm lightly going to treat the areas, spots that are needed with the carpet bomber. And you could do a larger area, smaller area. I don't suggest spraying the actual headliner itself. First of all, you don't want to get too much moisture on the surface here. You don't want to loosen up any of the adhesive. You don't want to oversaturate. That's why I'm not spraying directly onto the headliner itself. You don't want it to oversaturate. You don't want moisture to penetrate the glue and start to loosen it up over time. So what you want is you want to spray whatever wash media you're using to clean. So whether that's a mitt, some guys use the actual wash mitts. They'll go in there with the wool mitt and actually clean the surface. It's an old upholstery cleaning method that works really well for some guys. You could even use soap. I've seen guys even use a pH neutral soap. Go in here lightly with the soap and then dry it off. I've seen that work. I use the carpet and upholstery dedicated cleaners by P&S. I'll actually link all three, the Terminator, carpet bomber, and the finisher. You can spray a larger area if you need to get, if there's a bigger space that you need to get, cover more surface area, clean up. This headliner here has a couple ink stains that aren't going to come out, some blotchy areas, some stains that I've gone over that are not coming out. Want to do light passes, multiple if needed, but again, little to no pressure, and you want to go with very light moisture. So if you have to reapply and go over lightly again, I suggest doing the whole front area, go through the back, and then by the time you get back to the back, maybe do one more round, and that should pretty much get everything that you need. If you have to, use a light brush to go through there, agitate it, but I like a high nap towel. I'll link the towel as well as the three-step carpet and upholstery cleaning system by P&S in the description below. But again, guys, great results come pretty easy. Most guys overthink this. They're over here using all these different tools. I see guys even up there with the extractor. I would advise to stay away from that. If you're putting that much moisture on a headliner, you're just asking for problems. So be very, very careful with the headliners, guys. You don't want to rub too hard. You don't want to apply too much pressure. You don't want to apply too much heat. You can go in there with the steamer if you need to, but again, be very, very cautious. You don't want to put direct heat too close to one area, because with the steam, you're not only applying heat, you're exposing it to a lot of moisture as well. So again, the best way that we found out to clean them, and we use this pretty much on every vehicle that we do, it's a light spray and going through and lightly agitating, it gets the job done. Don't expose it to too much moisture, don't expose it to too much pressure, and you guys should be good. For more detailing tricks and tips, subscribe. You can also call us on our consulting line, which I'll leave linked in the description below. Shout out to Humble Mobile Detailing, Marquise out there, who called us up last week and has already turned his business around. So shout out to Marquise, Humble Mobile Detailing. If you guys aren't following him on Instagram, go ahead and give my man a follow. And if you have questions about our consulting, you can always reach out to him. The results are real. Joel again here from Detail, Sell Behind the Camera. Catch you guys on the next one.